really started raining now. We're going around Doylstow. This is bad. Guy's turning. One of the idiots still has no light left. Someone's passing me and don't like the look of their vehicle. So I hid the camera. Too many lights. I knew it wasn't a police. Wow. I thought we were done with the rain. 34 miles toward home. I'll try and pass. I have to kill myself. Two vehicles there. Oh God, don't get worse. 202s and quarter hundred. I just want to make sure I can still see these cars. It's nice to be able to see the car in front of you. Some idiots are driving with cameras in their hand. I'll deny it. I can't tell if anyone's coming over from the right. Hopefully they're not merging. 202. There's a puddle here. Someone's driving pretty fast. I think I'm going fast too. They said there's some cameras you can have fixed on the top of your windshield here, so you don't have to hold it like this. I've heard of such a thing. He had this four-way flash. That makes him smarter than me. And we're practically stopped here. And it's practically stopped raining. So let's move it. Hello, woman. I'm gonna hide it because it's... I'm making a left of the third light just to get off of this road. This is Edison and Edison Furlong. Next one's a shopping center. Then it's Alms House. We are in Bucks County. Did I mention that? We've been in Bucks County this whole video. But I was in Northampton before that. That's a shopping center. Look at those clouds up there. No, not there. There. Where are you looking? But you don't have your lights on either. I will turn. I'll turn this off. Too many people around. Okay, I didn't. Edge of 17. It's classic rewind. I used to the classic vinyl. Stevie Nicks. Edge of 17. Never knew what the title of this song was. Okay, I'm turning left up here. Turn signal is officially on, and we're backed up. A lot of cars can make this late, especially when it's not raining. But it's a long light, so I'll put you out of your misery. Goodbye. And hopefully that's it.